For you to be monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how you can get your 4,000 watch hours very fast. These ways have been proven and it have been used by my students, and trust me, it has been working. So meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm your YouTube big sister, and on this channel I teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation and YouTube automation. So do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out wherever a new video is being dropped. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in straight into the class. So guys, the first hack you can use to get your 4,000 watch hours really fast is your hook. Yes, you heard me right, your hook. The first 10 seconds of your video will determine whether someone will relax and watch your video or someone will just skip, right? No matter how value packed your video is, if you don't fix your hook or you fail to fix your hook, nobody is going to watch that video. So do well to use different hooks for your video. You can ask ChatGPT to help you. Yes, there are different hooks you can get from ChatGPT. ChatGPT can give you different ideas you can use while starting your video. Work on your hook and you will increase the retention rate of your audience. So the second hack you can use to increase your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube is by making use of open loops. What do I mean by open loops? Open loops mean the things you say in your video that keep your audience engaged. Example, you can say, I have four tips for you. Number four is my favorite, or number four is the most important one. Can you see? So when you say that, people want to actually stay to the end to know what number four is all about. And by doing so, you are increasing the retention rate. They would like to know why you say number four is your favorite. So make sure you use open loops in your videos to keep your audience involved, to keep your audience engaged in your tutorial or in your YouTube video. So guys, the third hack you can use to increase your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube is by making use of playlists. I cannot overemphasize on this. Playlist is very, very important. Yes, most of us don't even know how to make use of playlist. Playlist allows your audience to binge watch your videos, and this increases watch hours. What do I mean? Let's say someone finished watching your video. If it is a playlist, right? If you have arranged it in a playlist, YouTube will recommend your next video. You see, so when someone finish watching that your first video, there's a very high tendency that the person will click on the second video that YouTube recommended it for. Do you understand? When you put your videos in a playlist format, YouTube recommend more of your videos to that person, and the person has a very high tendency to click on the next video. When you don't have a playlist, when the person finish watching your video, YouTube recommend a video of another person. You see the person going to another person's channel or watching another person's video where it should be yours that the person is watching. Are you understanding me? So please do well to make use of playlists, and I'll be showing you how you can create playlists or how you can arrange your videos in a playlist format in order to increase your watch hours here on YouTube. So if you are interested to learn how to create playlists for your YouTube videos, comment playlist in the comment section and I'll put it up in my next tutorial. So guys, the fourth hack you can use to increase your watch hours here on YouTube is by learning how to turn one particular video into series. Yes, you guys are sleeping on series. You guys are sleeping on series. When someone enjoys part one of your video, there is a very high tendency that the person would enjoy the part two. So learn to turn one video into series. I cannot overemphasize on this. It drives views, it increases watch hours. When you learn how to create series for your YouTube videos, you are going to get lots of watch hours, because when audience are being glued or when they enjoy a first video you made, when you make a video that looks like that, there's a very high tendency that they are going to click on that next video and watch it as well. So learn how to create series today. Learn how to turn one particular topic into different series, especially if you're a new YouTuber. Do well to adopt this and you see how your watch hours will increase. The fifth hack you can use to increase your watch hours here on YouTube is by creating longer videos. And while creating these longer videos, learn how to make use of storytelling. Learn how to make use of storytelling. People are really, really invested in storytelling. When you don't know how to tell stories, people are going to get bored because you sound like a robot. But when you find something that is relatable, when you tell stories or when you convey that message in a very friendly style or in a relatable format, people will understand and people will really stay glued to your video. You can even stay to the end of the video when you learn how to storytell. So learn how to adopt storytelling in your videos. Make it relatable, make it sound engaging. You cannot just be teaching somebody something, or you cannot just be telling me about something and you are all fixed up, you are sounding like a robot, you don't sound like human. People are not going to relate to what you're saying. Even if you're into sales and marketing on YouTube or on any social media platforms, you are going to use storytelling to sell your product. Storytelling helps your audience to understand you and understand your point of view, and people buy with their emotions, not because of what you presented. So when you can appeal to emotions, people are going to watch your videos. When you sound human, when you sound relatable, people are going to watch your videos. So do well to sound human. Your script should not be boring. Your script should not sound like a robot. I mean, free yourself, storytell, and you'll see how your watch hours will increase. So guys, the sixth hack you can use to increase your watch hours is by learning how to create your thumbnails and learning how to craft your titles. I've said this and I'll say it again. Thumbnail is the intro of any video. No matter how value packed your video is, no matter how interesting your video is, if your thumbnail is not good, if your thumbnail sucks, nobody is going to watch your video. So I always tell my students, please learn how to create your thumbnails. If you don't know how to do that, Canva can help you. ChatGPT can also help you create realistic and good looking thumbnails. I've made a tutorial on how to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I'll attach the link in the description box. So do well to go and watch that particular video. Of course, after watching this one. And again, your titles are very, very important. You can have a good video, but if your titles are not appealing enough, people are not going to click on that. I am not talking about clickbait. No, not clickbait. Make sure that the value that you're offering is also equal to the title, right? The title of your videos, they are not deceiving. It should not be a clickbait. It should be something that promises to offer value, so that when people actually click on your video, they get the maximum value you promised them on your titles. Your titles should be curious driven, your title should be engaging, your title should make people want to click and watch your videos. So please do well to improve on your titles and do well to improve on your thumbnails, and you see how your watch hours will increase. So guys, if you have watched up to this extent, do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. So with that, let's go back to our video. So guys, the seventh hack you can use to increase your watch hours is by studying your audience retention graph. Many of us, we will just post videos and we will just leave. That is not how YouTube works. I keep saying it. YouTube is not like other social media platforms. YouTube is different. YouTube needs strategy. YouTube needs plans. That's why it has its own YouTube studio. Many of us don't know how to make use of our YouTube studio, and that is very, very bad. After posting a video, after a few hours of posting a video, go back to your analytics, go back to your audience retention graph and study it carefully. Look at where people dropped off and know the reason why they dropped off, so that when next you are putting up a video, you will resolve that conflict, right? You will try not to repeat that mistake that made people to fall off in your former video. So learn how to make the analytics, your YouTube analytics, your friend. Many of us don't study these charts. This is the information that is given to you after a particular video is being uploaded. So do well to go through it, do well to make it your friend, do well to study it, and you will see how you can improve on your next video in order to increase retention and in order to increase your watch hours. So guys, with that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Do not forget to give us a like and also subscribe to our channel and turn your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. And also, I am available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box. And do not forget to comment on the next video you want to see on this particular channel, and I'll do well to put it up in my next video. So until I come your way next time, stay safe and